Hi guys, it's Toby, and today I'm going to show you guys some quick looks using the lip bar products. So first I'm going to go in with Exact Arch. First I'm going to go ahead and brush up my brows. And then I'm going to go in with just a tint. This is a tinted moisturizer. I'm actually going to apply it with brush instead of my hands. What I love about this product is that it's very moisturizing and it is oil free, and it has fantastic buildable coverage, so you can go as light or as heavy as you want. This product actually includes sunscreen as well, and so for all my, it's kind of like a 3-in-1 because you know you get your sunscreen, you get your moisturizer, and you get your tint all in one. It's also formulated with rose water, cucumber extract, and Irish sea moss, so it's very nourishing, very like natural ingredients that are just good for your skin. Next I'm going to go on with the Quick Conceal Caffeine Concealer in the shade Cinnamon, so 4. And what I like about this product is that it's formulated with caffeine, and so as you can see I've got some like, you know, dark circles in here, so we're just going to go ahead and conceal those really quickly. You don't have to set it with powder at all, like it's quick setting and it sets itself, which is fantastic because you know sometimes you just don't have setting powder on hand when you're on the go. It's just a great and quick, easy way to just brighten up your under eyes. And so I'm in the 4 o'clock family, and this concealer just takes the guesswork out of it because it's also in the 4 o'clock family as well, and it just helps you so you don't have to like, you know, worry that I'm a shade in this color in the foundation, but then when you go to find the matching concealer, like it's hard, like you have to struggle, but you don't have to do that. And then I'm going to finish this off with the Lash Flat Straightening Mascara. It's the perfect finishing touch to your eye look. And then I'm just going to end this with a touch of color on my cheeks. I'm going to go in with Glow On. It's in the color Outspoken. Blush is super pigmented, so you definitely want to start off small and build up. And it's a 2-in-1 blush and highlight as well. So this is my finished look using just like the quick face, and now we're just going to jump into some fun summer colors. And so the first one that I'm going to be putting on is Hot Mama. Is definitely just good for just nights where you just need like a solid red lip, and it goes on super smooth. So I love a good red lip, so this is something I would definitely wear just out and about, really, maybe to brunch with my friends. And next we're gonna try the color Prom Queen. And Prom Queen is this fun, bright purple color. It's really pretty. So next we're gonna go in with Boy Trouble. Boy Trouble is a brighter red, like an orangey red. And what I like about these lip products so far is that they apply on really smoothly and they dry down matte. So your lip really isn't going anywhere. Like once it's on, like it's on. Okay, our next color is Playmate. This one is also another fun purple kind of pink color. And then the last color we're going to try is Bombshell color. Now this is a very bright pink, and it goes on like really creamy. Okay, and that is the finished look.